Revolut Metal versus Amazon Premium. Which one is best? Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to compare Revolut Metal and Amazon Premium to help you decide which one is best for you. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with Revolut Metal. Revolut Metal is a premium digital banking subscription designed for people who want advanced financial features and lifestyle benefits in one app. With Revolut Metal, you get higher currency exchange limits, international spending advantages, and premium partner subscriptions bundled inside the plan. It also includes travel-related perks like airport lounge access discounts and extra financial tools that help manage spending and investments directly from your phone. Another big advantage is the included partner subscriptions such as fitness, learning, and lifestyle apps, which Revolut values at a very high yearly retail value depending on your region. The metal card itself is made of stainless steel, giving users a premium physical card experience along with added account features. Now, let's come towards Amazon Premium, also known as Amazon Prime. Amazon Premium focuses more on entertainment, shopping, and everyday convenience rather than banking features. With Amazon Premium, you get fast and free delivery on millions of products, exclusive shopping deals, and early access to major sale events like Prime Day. It also includes Prime Video for movies and TV shows, Amazon Music access, cloud photo storage, gaming benefits, and exclusive discounts across Amazon services. Members also receive perks like free games through Prime Gaming and access to special promotions and savings across groceries, fuel, and online purchases. Amazon Premium is mainly designed for frequent online shoppers and people who stream content regularly. Now, let's compare both side by side. Revolut Metal is best if you travel often, send money internationally, or want advanced banking and financial control features. Amazon Premium is better if you shop online frequently, watch streaming content, and want everyday lifestyle convenience. Revolut Metal works like a financial upgrade, while Amazon Premium works like an entertainment and shopping membership. If your priority is money management and travel perks, Revolut Metal is the stronger choice. If your priority is shopping savings, streaming, and digital entertainment, Amazon Premium becomes the better option. Choosing between Revolut Metal and Amazon Premium depends on your lifestyle and how you spend your money daily. That's all for the video.